I've been doing thumbnails for me and my clients for over 2 years now, generating these killer results and also reviewing dozens of business channels, making dozens of strategies for people who want to elevate their YouTube channel. And I see so many mistakes that business owners do in their thumbnails that is killing their results. I selected here 10 thumbnails that I will be reviewing and also improving. And the things that I will change to them are so easy and so simple. Anyone can do them. So let's dive in. First thumbnail, big mistake, repeating words in your thumbnail as in your title. This is basically wasting real estate. Like you have real estate on your thumbnail and real estate on your title. Next is the small text, also the title, which sounds AI-ish. Finish strong, turn your quick start into power. Doesn't really sound like something would make me curious to watch. So I made it way better, removed the text, made these elements bigger because people won't see the thumbnail this big. Like people will see the thumbnail this big and they need to understand discipline, resilience, willpower. It's about the working style. Like this creates much more curiosity. And with the title, I changed it to something like why you never finish anything. Something that would spark curiosity in the viewer's mind and make him click. Next example, you'll see a recurring theme in this guide is that we like to delete as many things until the thumbnail says the same thing with as little things like you do in copywriting. First of all, text has no contrast whatsoever. We repeat all the text in the thumbnail as in the title, which is very wrong. And people do not care that you're on a beach. What I did to this thumbnail made her face bigger, blurred out the background because nobody cares where you're at, and shortened the message to something that will spark curiosity when a person just sees the thumbnail. Stop hiding your best stuff. And the title, why most coaching businesses stay stuck, and we added a bit of social proof, 500 plus clients served. This is much better for really saying the message. This is the key thing. You don't have to explain the entire video in your thumbnail. You just have to get the click because that's the goal of the thumbnail, not to explain a crazy concept in 2 seconds because that's impossible. Next one, same thing. Too many elements, too many text. Like my attention goes to this, then to this, then to this. Of course it's fashion, but she already wears some different clothes that make me think that she's into fashion. 20 things I do differently if I was starting an online fashion store in 2024. This text is perfect. 20 things I do differently. This is too much. And same thing, her title repeats in the thumbnail. What I did to make it better. I removed everything but the 25 things I do differently, made her face a bit bigger so she's more recognizable, and changed the title to something different, how I'd build my store from scratch, knowing what I know now. Social proof in your thumbnails works really well. Now, of course, I'm repeating myself because everyone does the exact same issue, putting too many elements in their thumbnail. Where should you focus your attention? How do you know SEO is working? 227 per high value action SEO versus Google Ads, search action customer. Like you can't instantly know what this video is about in 2 seconds because this is what you need to achieve. There's too many elements because this is the most common issue we see with everyone doing thumbnails. How we measure SEO results for small businesses, real data. The title is decent. And I've changed to something extremely simple because that is what you need to do when you're doing YouTube with a small budget. Your face, some text, and a clean background. That's it. That's enough for people to convert. SEO that actually converts. Simple. People know if they're clicking this video, they will get tips on SEO that actually converts and how to prove your SEO is actually working. Next one. This should be the first one. Like way too many elements. People don't even care. Like if your ad agency name is here. Way too many faces. The background is distracting. This is distracting. This is distracting. This, everything. White labor marketing services designed to help agencies grow. I know this is made by an AI, but the AI doesn't know how a viewer, how a real human actually scrolls YouTube. That's the main issue. This one was also made with AI. But people just go the lazy way, see that it's looking good, but they don't think about the psychology that someone has when scrolling through YouTube. So what I did, put his face, only his face, used the actual thing he talks about in the video, so scaling from one location to the other, 150% more margin from location 1 to location 2. You instantly get what the thumbnail is about. And now to the final one, same thing, made by an AI which doesn't know anything. The logo distracting, this distracting, this distracting, too much text. Only this is good, the agency operating system, but still, this is distracting. Like, way too many elements, let's count them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like, the maximum is 3. 7 is way too much. So, just simple. His face, I blurred the background because we don't need it to look cool. We just need the background to be just something, not to be distracting. Because if we look, one element is the background, one element is him, and one element is the text. 3, that's enough. Work 20 hours a week. That's a quote from the video, How to Remove Yourself as the Bottleneck with AI. Let me explain to you how someone decides whether to click on a video or not. They scroll on the YouTube homepage and they see your thumbnail. They give maximum 1 to 2 seconds to your thumbnail. Work 20 hours a week, okay. They read it out. Then it's like the first check. The first check is completed. Then they go and move their attention to the title to see if there's something relevant for them. How to Remove Yourself as the Bottleneck with AI. If the title is also intriguing and sparks curiosity, you have the second check. And the third check, they go back to the thumbnail to click on it and also decide if it's worth it. And they give the final check and they click. You have to check all 3 boxes for you to get the highest CTR. I review thousands of YouTube channels per week, and I'm sick of these issues because they're present in 99% of YouTube channels, but you don't see them because they don't succeed, because you only see the big channels. Like, these small channels go unnoticed. And if you don't want to go through the hassle of trying to figure out all these thumbnail tactics yourself, click the link down below to schedule a free consultation call with me where, like in this video, I'll analyze your YouTube channel, walk you through how to improve it, and actually turn YouTube into a profitable client getting machine. So if that sounds interesting, click the first link, schedule a call, and I'll see you there.